guys. What's up, y'all? Let me put it right here. Put it over there. Where can we put it that if we could see everybody? Actually, I don't want to.
Here, let me use my stand.
Okay, I don't want to be in the blood. Okay, I'll put it behind you. You cannot see. Okay, I'll put it right here. No, that's fine. You can see Kelly and you can see my hand.
Don't you already know the news?
And you can see her shaking. Okay, you guys. So this is what happened to me at night. Story time.
Oh god.
So I always stay up hella late, like 2 in the morning and whatever.
You saw la malora.
No, worse.
Yeah.
No, yeah. So I was like hella concentrated because I was editing a video on my phone, and then like I was like, what the heck? So I hit like 3:20 something. I even have the text message that I sent to Vianney, and I heard a baby crying, like right outside my window. But it was like not right outside my window, but it was como si estuvieran like, you know, like that window. When you walk into the apartment, there's a window.
Like when you're passing.
Oh yeah. Yeah. So that window, like if it was on that window.
Oh.
Yeah. And I heard a baby, so I was like, oh, probably Crystal woke up and like she's crying or whatever. So I texted Vianney, and I was like, is Crystal crying? Is she okay? Because it was like a cry, like
Really
like,
bad.
Like. And then like when I was like, no, that cannot be Crystal because se oye como una niña entre niña y mujer, like un bebé y una mujer. Because it was like, and then it was like a mujer. It was like, like that, and I was like, what the fuck? And then like when I like put my phone down and it was hella oscuro, like hella dark, I was like, oh my god, what the fuck did I just hear? And Vianney wasn't texting me, so I was like, yo, what the fuck is that? Like, is that like, who the fuck is that? And then she didn't text me back or nothing. And then I was like, what the fuck? And then I heard it again hella louder, and I was like, what the fuck? Y me agarró un fucking miedo, you guys. I was shaking and I was fucking cold and I couldn't fucking move. I was literally like this with my phone right here.
Who was with you?
Oh, it was at night. It was like 3:20 something. And it was like a little kid. It was like, and it was like, like hella llanto, like fucking hella llanto.
What if it was a neighbor?
The neighbors don't have kids.
Yeah, don't they have a Asian kid? Oh, but like
not anymore. Not
anymore.
They,
like the little kid comes and visit from like wherever and then leave. Maybe he was there. He was fine.
Why the fuck would he be outside?
Because he's always screaming when he comes.
Yeah,
you can always hear
him. We can
screaming.
hear him. Like,
yeah.
It was like out of nowhere, and I got hella scared. I was like, oh my gosh! Like in my head, I'm like, I'm fucking like llorona. I fucking heard la llorona, like out dead ass, or I don't know what the fuck it was. And I swear I could not go to sleep. When I closed my eyes, I would fucking picture a woman standing right there outside my fucking window.
Oh my god. I don't want to sleep over no more.
You guys, that shit was fucking
we hear about stuff. Like the other time, like
they literally hear people upstairs all the time and nobody's upstairs. I've been there when
yeah,
you hear people upstairs. I literally I'm really not. I used to be like way scared to go to your house, to be honest. But
like we hear people, and like this shit has always, been happening because, like.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
The police station is right across the street.
Oh,
and if we die, at least we said we were eating junk food. We die happy.
No, that's kind of creepy.
Why didn't you hear anything? I'll keep a lookout for that way. She keeps a lookout out here. She keeps a lookout there, and then there.
But like the other time, like there was this guy screaming outside. He was like drunk or something. He was screaming Cristal, wasn't he? Or what name was he?
Ashley. No, Crystal.
He was like screaming, and it was so scary. Like
he was screaming
or something.
Crystal, like with Ella, like
it was so creepy though.
I'm still eating.
I am. I was. Well, you were saying the story.
Oh. I'm always in her YouTube videos.
There's a guy right there.
Oh my god, you guys.
Oh my god, look at it.
I have 911 on my phone right now. Like, I'm not even kidding. I got it typed in and ready to go. 911. I got it, you guys. I got it typed in and ready to go.
This bitch.
You think it's a game?
It ain't no shame. No, but yeah. Okay, somebody else tell a story.
About what?
Janet heard somebody say hi in her room.
Ew, you always tell me that. That creeps me the fuck out. No, but that shit doesn't compare to anything that happened to me in the old apartment with the mirror. That shit was creepy.
My mom had really weird dreams there too.
Really?
Yeah.
Ew, they
Like-
were freaking haunted. Oh, and then
Yeah,
that
I'm pretty
picture
sure
that
it's
you
haunted.
took, like in your Mac,
Mm-hmm.
and then like a black figure appeared like in her closet,
Yeah.
or like something like that.
So I have a picture like this, and it's from my laptop.
Oh, I think I know which one. Is it the one in the pink dress, I think?
I know I'm wearing like a pink thing, something. No, I'm not wearing a dress. It's like I was like getting ready for school, and I had like a thing like this. Like I still have the picture, and there's a fucking man like in the back of me. And you know how you guys, I told you guys that that like somebody had done brujeria on me?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was when that was happening. Like the fucking mirror was haunted. Like if you would go close, you could hear like it was fucking crazy. If you guys want to hear that story time, we can go on my channel and actually like get in depth about that story because it's fucking scary.
That
as
shit
fuck.
was really scary.
Why
bro.
is you?
It's covering my face, bro. Nobody wants to see me.
Yeah. That
No,
shit
yeah.
was crazy. This is my sister Emily and this is my cousin Vanessa, but she doesn't want to be in the video because she ratchet.
Yeah.
And this is the conceited one. That's why all of her face is in there.
And she has a big head.
Yeah. So that's what was happening. Anyways, what's up with you guys' life? Keep it PG because
And there might be kids watching.
Let's talk about our love lives, you guys.
no, hell.
Yeah. No.
They're gonna be bored.
Yeah, for real.
He said Kelly, you know. She does an interesting type of stuff. I don't even know.
She does?
My life is boring.
She's still sitting here with us.
Oh yeah. Sorry. Cause I can't go out. I'm just kidding.
Can't go out.
I wish I could do this, but I'm gonna do it.
That's bad. Just hella spicy. She ate one of the hottest salsas in the
Not
whole,
one of
the hottest salsa in the world. And this bitch didn't do anything. She just sat there and she was like, okay, is that it? It tastes like the tamales that my mom makes. Is that it?
That's so true.
She eats salsa like, bro,
Yeah.
it's creepy.
And I don't know how my appendix is still strong. Bitch, use this one.
Oh.
She got you. Anyways, what else did you guys?
I want some coffee. I'm kidding.
Gross.
I don't even like coffee.
What the hell? Remember when Mateo was about to be born? I'm gonna insert a picture and a video of Mateo because y'all gotta need to know who the hell he is because he's so cute.
He's my little brother.
And
When my auntie was hella pregnant and we used to walk here, I needed sopa maruchas.
or bread.
Or
Mexican
fucking
bread.
Okay. Dang!
I want to go.
He is so cool.
His exhaust is hella modified, but his car goes like 2 miles per hour.
Ew!
I said that one time. Oh my god, one time I was coming out of Macy's. You see? His car isn't fast. It's really just his exhaust. Oh, your battery.
How many minutes is that? 10?
Yeah.
My battery's about to die. But if something interesting happens, I'll record it. Everybody. We're going home because it's fucking cold. How many degrees are? Why are you guys walking in the grass? I can't walk in the grass. I literally have slippers. No, leave me alone.
It's just so fucking cold, bro. I'm on my period. I don't know if I bled through.
Ew, what the fuck?
Cut that out, but fuck, I'm literally on my
I'm not
period.
cutting that out. I'm leaving that in.
My ass is literally frozen, bro. Like legit, I cannot feel my ass. It's numb.
I look like shit. Like, why did I even come out here? Why did you let me come out here? Well, I always come out like this.
I don't know, man.
We should have gone on the swings.
Oh, bitch, that's too fucking comfortable.
Pendeja. You look stupid. I'm recording on my iPhone because I can. Shit. Fuck. This whole video is about us like fucking being cold.
Pretty much. I don't even know why we went to the park, to be honest.
Because we wanted to do something.
Yeah. Because we were both hella bored.
Well, I was laying very comfy in my bed, and then they were like, "What are you doing?" And I was like, "Oh, I'm just here." And they were like, "Let's do something." And I was like, "Okay." Wait, do hella poses.
Mom mix, oh my god, that fucking scared me.
She's been like that forever, yo. She's been like that. Oh my god, this one faster.
Stephanie, stop. I'm on my period. Stop. She's so stupid, you guys. Like, Stephanie, if I bleed through, it's gonna be on you, bro.
How is it gonna be on me when you're sitting on your...
running?
Fall. What the fuck? Oh, hell no.
They just say shit. What the hell?
I was covering...
Vanessa and I always have our period on the same days.
I never have my period.
I have my... You're in a period too?
Shh.
I bled through. It's the worst day of my life.
Ew, where did you put your pad all the way down? Like,
No, I don't even know. I don't wear pads. I told you.
Fat pussy problems.
You know, Axie still watches your channel, so. That bitch ass nigga. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
She's gonna know that you bled through.
Oh yeah. Oh.
and from the back for real?
Oh my god.
Feel this?
No, guys. Like, it's because when. Did I? No, mommy. It's like hella bad.
Not hella bad, but you did.
A little bit or a lot?
Yes, a lot.
Kelly, you better, when you go to school, you better make sure, because that happened to me.
And I never bleed through. I legit never bleed through.
You guys wanna see
But
her
it's because
bled?
I. No, oh my god. But it's because I wear fucking tampons.
Why were you wearing a pond?
Because I don't
I
have
told
any.
you it's not fun to sit on your shit.
And my mom also like low-key doesn't know I wear tampons. I
Oh,
just
sorry.
buy them. I just buy them and she doesn't know.
Stephanie has
Tampons, yeah, I have tampons at home.
Okay. Oh my god, can we please go? I need those sweatpants, you know that I always
Can
wear.
you put your thing right here because you can see everything? Put your bag over here.
But I put to the front pin.
No, you don't.
Yes, I did.
Oh yeah, you did.
You need to cut all this shit out, bro.
No, I'm not. This is the like interesting thing I ever.
No,
fucking-
it's not.
You can't even see it's dark.
Stephanie edited me out. If I look good today, I will let you, but I look disgusting.
Okay, well. We'll do it like, you know, that time when we went, you guys don't speak.
I move it to that hard.
Am I dead ass bleeding through?
Yes.
From the back?
Yes.
Oh my fucking god, I am so mad right now. I'm telling you, bro. This one.
Wait, did you just say to edit you out because you don't look good? Because have you seen what I look like?
No, I really don't.
Oh my god. Okay, everybody run. Don't get killed.
Stephanie, I can't run. I just know
What you think, girl?
Bro, Stephanie, remember when we
Emily, don't stay back. Bitch, you're gonna get robbed.
I said something. I was like, no, she's recording a video. He was like, what video? And I was about to say porn video, but then I was like, no.
Shut up, shut up. Nobody's gonna know I'm recording.
I was about to say some shit like that, bro.
Why would you say some shit like that?
Oh
Oh my god, it's cold. This should be illegal. Do not split the pole, people. Do not split the pole. Okay, nobody split the pole. Splitting the pole is a bad idea. And spinning on it too.
Nah, look at Cardi B. Bro,
That's the truth.
my mom like deadass wants to take like fucking classes for pole
Me
dancing.
too, I do.
We should. Like, I'm not even kidding.
I don't think you can.
I don't know. Maybe. It's a sport.
Is it?
Yes, it is. You gotta
What is it called?
Pole dance. I don't know.
Damn, bitch, you bled everywhere.
I'm gonna cry, you guys.
This is a very disturbing.
Vlog. I'm sorry.
This vlog is just everywhere.
I'm an emotional mess right now. I'm just kidding. Okay. Kim, there's people that are dying.
For real. Why is there only 2 shadows when there's like 4 people walking?
Because the people behind us are invisible. This is all a dream.
You stupid. I'm currently locked out of my house. I'm locked out of my house, y'all. I forgot my bag. Fuck. But
I'm trying to do O's. Bro, let's go out to like more adventures. Like, you guys should tell us where to go in like around the Bay Area. If you're like around like San Francisco, and you know, let us know. There's some dope ass places, and we'll go check them out.
I really need to go pee. Bye.
One that sharing his drinks.